Hello dear students, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear students, in the last class we have discussed very important derivation, that is geometrically prove that cos of, what we had seen, that is cos of x plus y equal to cos x, okay, cos y minus of sin x sin y. We had seen about this particular derivation, okay, that is cos x cos y minus of sin x sin y. This particular derivation we had seen in the previous session, and it acts as a formula also. Now depending on this we shall look onto the different formulas. For example, here we had seen about the cos of x plus y. Now similarly we will learn about the sin of x plus y, cos of x minus y. All these formulas we shall look here. Okay, now let us look onto the second one. Okay, that was the first one here, formula. The second one is cos of x minus y. Okay, that is nothing but here cos of x minus y equal to, we require to prove cos x cos y plus of sin x sin y. We have to prove that sin x sin y. Now here what we have to substitute here is, okay, now what we have to do here, that is very important. Now here that is nothing but in above we know that, okay, we know that cos of x plus y formula, that is nothing but here cos x cos y then minus of sin x sin y. This is our formula. So what we have to substitute is put y is equal to minus y in above formula. So what happens here, that implies here, that is cos of x minus y, in the place of y we have to put minus y, that is nothing but here cos x cos of minus y minus sin x into sin of minus y. That means what we get here, which is equal to cos x cos of minus theta, that is nothing but cos theta itself, cos y, then here minus sin x sin of minus theta, it is minus sin theta, minus minus becomes plus, that is nothing but here sin y. So ultimately what we get is, that is nothing but here cos of x minus y here, okay, what we get is cos of x minus y, okay, and that itself is your required result. So along with the 6 marks derivation, so here this, okay, this simple problem will also be asked here, okay, together consist of 6 marks. Now let us learn about the third one. The third one is prove that, that is nothing but here sin of, okay, x plus y equal to sin x cos y, okay, plus of cos x sin y, sin x cos y plus of, okay, sin x sin y. Now here that is nothing but here, now let us observe here. Now here what we have to observe is, now we know that cos of, okay, we know that cos of x plus y, we are knowing the formula. That means can I write this sign in terms of cos, that is nothing but here let sin of x plus y equal to cos of pi by 2 minus of x plus y. That means what we get here, that is pi by 2 minus theta, cos of pi by 2 minus theta means cos becomes sin, in the first quadrant thus cos is positive. That implies here what I can write is, that is nothing but here cos of pi by 2 minus x, okay, cos of pi by 2 minus x here, then minus y, okay, that is nothing but our formula cos of a minus b. Cos of x minus y formula we are knowing here, what it is, that is cos x cos y minus of cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. That particular formula will make use here, which is equal to now cos x minus y, cos x minus y, that is nothing but here cos x, what is the x value here, pi by 2 minus x, cos of pi by 2 minus x, then here that is nothing but cos y, okay, what we have cos y, then plus of sin x, sin x means what it is, pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 minus x into what we have here, that is nothing but sin y, sin y. So now ultimately cos of pi by 2 minus x, that is nothing but we get here as sin x, then cos y, cos x cos y, then here sin of pi by 2 minus x, that is nothing but here cos x into sin y. That implies here what is the formula here, that is nothing but sin of x plus y, which is equal to sin x cos y, okay, plus of cos x into sin y. Sin of x plus y equal to sin x cos y plus equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Okay. The next one is fourth one. Now what actually it is, that is nothing but here sin of x minus y. Okay, sin of x minus y here. What it is sin of x minus y, we have to prove that, or prove that what is the formula, that is sin x cos y minus of cos x into sin y. That is our formula, we require to prove that. So here LHS part we shall take, that is nothing but sin of x minus y here. Okay, sin of x minus y, or else we know that sin of x plus y formula. Okay, we know that sin of x plus y, we know that sin of x plus y formula, which is equal to sin x cos y, okay, plus of cos x into sin y. Now here replace y by minus y. Okay friends, so what we get here, that is sin of x minus y equal to sin x, y by minus y means cos of minus y plus of cos x into sin of minus y. Now what we get here, sin a cos b, that is nothing but here sin x. Okay, we are having here sin x, cos of minus theta, that is nothing but here cos y, plus of what we have, that is cos x, okay, into, that is nothing but here sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, that is minus sin y. So that implies the formula is sin of x minus y. Okay, that is nothing but your required formula. Okay, that is the fourth one. What we got now, sin of x minus y, sin of x plus y, cos of x minus y, and cos of x plus y. That means depending on only this formula and the allied angle formulas, we had learnt about these four formulas. Okay dear students, now let us learn about the next one. Now what is the next one? That is nothing but true that is the next one, fifth one, tan of x plus y, tan of x plus y equal to tan x plus tan y whole divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Okay, we shall write it as prove that. Sometimes this particular thing will be asked for 2 marks in your examinations. Now here how we have to solve the LHS part, I will take here. That is nothing but here tan of x plus y, which is equal to sin of x plus y whole divided by cos of x plus y here. Now here I will write on the formula for sin of x plus y, that is nothing but here sin x plus y. What is the formula here? Sin x cos y, sin x cos y, okay, plus cos x into sin y whole divided by what we get, cos of x plus y, that is nothing but here cos x cos y minus sin x into sin y, sin x into sin y. Now here within this, that is nothing but our tan of x plus y value. Here what I will do is I will divide both sides, okay, divide both numerator and denominator by certain values. That is, here we got the value for 1, isn't it? That means here I will divide it by cos x cos y. Okay, that is a divide both numerator and denominator by, that is nothing but here cos x cos y, cos x cos y. So what we get here, which is equal to sin x cos y plus of cos x sin y, cos x sin y whole divided by what we have, that is cos x into cos y whole divided by, that is nothing but here cos x cos y. Next what we are having, minus of sin x sin y. Now here also divided by what it is, that is nothing but here cos x cos y. Okay, fine. Next, now here we can observe that sin x cos y divided by these two things and cos x sin y divided by these two things. What happens here, that is sin x by cos x, that is nothing but here tan x. Okay, or else I will write one more step, that is nothing but here sin x cos y whole divided by cos x into cos y. Okay, next here plus of cos x into sin y whole divided by cos x into cos y. Now whole divided by what we have here, that is a cos x cos y whole divided by cos x cos y minus of sin x sin y whole divided by cos x into cos y. Okay. Now here we can observe that these two terms get eliminates, dear students. Cos y get eliminates. Here also cos x get eliminates. What is the remaining part? That is sin by cos, so the value will be tan x. Then plus sin by cos y, that is nothing but here tan y, whole divided by, here the value is 1, minus sin by cos, that is nothing but here tan x, and here sin by cos y, that is nothing but here tan y. Okay, these are nothing but your values. Now what is the formula? That is nothing but tan of x plus y. That implies what we have is tan of x plus y is equal to, that is a tan x plus tan y whole divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y, 1 divided by tan x, okay, 1 minus tan x into tan y. Now similarly students, I can prove the tan of x minus y also I can prove just by replacing y by minus y. Okay, that is nothing but here if we replace, okay, replace y by minus y, that implies that is a tan of x minus y, which is equal to tan of minus x, tan of x as it is tan x plus tan of minus y whole divided by 1 minus tan x into tan of minus y. So that implies here, okay, what is that result? I will write here only, dear students, here only I will write here. Okay, this here is your required result here. Okay, that is our result here, dear students. Prove that it is our result here. Now here that is nothing but here tan of x minus y. Okay, tan of x minus y equal to, this is nothing but our equation number 6 here. Tan of x minus y equal to tan x, tan of minus theta is nothing but tan of minus tan theta, tan x minus tan y whole divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. Okay, that is nothing but our required result. Okay, dear students, till now we had seen about the 6 important formulas. So now we shall continue with our, okay, the derivation of the formulas related to this compound angles. Till that students, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, dear students, now let us prove the next one, that is nothing but our cot of x plus y equal to cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot x plus cot y. It is a very simple example here. So now I can do it in 2 ways, either by tan of pi by 2 minus of that value, or else the similarly cot means cos by y, cos by sin, that manner also I can do it. So I will take the simple one, that is LHS, that is nothing but here cot of x plus y. The value I can write it as cos of x plus y divided by sin of x plus y here. Okay, sin of x plus y. Now here what is the formula for cos of x plus y? That is nothing but, already we had learnt about formula, that is nothing but here cos x cos y minus of sin x into sin y whole divided by sin of x plus y, dear students. What it is? That is sin x cos y plus of, that is cos x into sin y. Now here what I require to prove here is, I require to prove that minus 1 it is. Okay, dear students, minus 1 it is. That means here the sin x sin y should replace by 1 here, and similarly here cos by sin, that is nothing but cot I should get here. So what I will divide is, divide numerator and denominator by sin x into sin y I will divide, that is nothing but here sin x into sin y. Now here what we get here, that we shall observe, that is nothing but here cos x cos y minus of sin x into sin y whole divided by, that is nothing but here sin x sin y whole divided by, now what we get here, that is sin x into cos y plus of cos x into sin y whole divided by, that is nothing but here sin x into sin y, sin x into sin y. Now here respectively I will divide, that means cos by sin, that is cot, cos y by sin y, that is cot y. So what we get here, that is cot x into cot y minus of these two terms divided by sin x sin y gets the value as 1 here. Next part is sin x get eliminates, remaining part is cot y by cos by sin, that is nothing but here cot y. Then plus of, here I can take that here sin y get eliminates, the remaining part is cos by x by sin x, that is nothing but here cot x. Okay, dear students, that is nothing but our required result. Okay, that is nothing but our LHS equal to RHS part, required proof. Now dear students, similarly I can prove that, that is 8th one, that is cot of x minus y I can prove here. Okay, that is nothing but cot of x minus y, that is nothing but here 1 minus. Okay, so let us prove that. So we know that cot of x plus y equal to, I will write down, that is cot x cot y minus 1 whole divided by cot, okay, what we are having, that is nothing but cot x plus cot y. Now here, okay, cot x plus cot y, since both are positive we can reverse. Now what we get here is put y by minus y, that is nothing but here cot of x minus y equal to cot x into cot of minus y minus 1 whole divided by what we get here, that is a cot x plus cot of minus y. So if I find out the value, what we get is, that is nothing but here cot x. Now here cot of minus theta, that is nothing but minus cot theta. So what we get is cot y minus 1 whole divided by what we have is cot x, okay, minus of what we get here, that is nothing but here cot y, okay, minus of cot y. Now here what I will do, if I take it minus outside here also if I take minus outside, what we get here cot x cot y plus 1, okay students, whole divided by, here also if I take minus sign outside, what is getting part, cot y minus of cot x. That means even though if you multiply with minus sign here, minus cot y, minus into minus plus cot x. The reason is very simple, just to eliminate the minus sign. So what is the formula we get, that is nothing but here cot x cot y minus 1 whole divided by cot y minus of cot x, cot y minus cot x. Okay, that is nothing but our required result. Okay dear students, now let us begin with the next part. So now what it is, the next part means sin 2x, okay, sin 2x or cos 2x formula we shall learn, that is cos 2x equal to cos of 2x equal to, prove that, okay, cos 2x equal to, I can write as a cos square x minus of sin square x, first thing, cos square x minus sin square x, or, okay, or that is nothing but here 2 cos square x minus 1, or I can write as 1 minus 2 sin square x. This particular thing I will prove here, okay, that is nothing but here cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square x. Now let us take the LHS part. LHS what we are having, cos 2x. Cos 2x, can I write it as cos of x plus x? Now I will make use of cos of x plus y. Job to prove that derivation is there, that particular formula I will make use here. Cos of x plus x means what we are having, that is nothing but here cos x, cos y, okay, y means here also again it is x only, cos x, okay, minus of, that is sin x into sin y means again it is x only. So that means what we get here, cos square x minus sin square x. So what we get is, that is cos square x minus of sin square x. What it is, that is nothing but cos of x plus y here, okay, that is your required result. Okay, this is our first thing. Next term comes is, now let us move on with the next part, that is the 2 cos square x minus 1. Now here in this equation, can I add it as, which is equal to cos square x minus of sin square x, I can write it as 1 minus cos square x, because the reason is very simple, that is sin square x plus cos square x, the value will be 1 here. That means here what we get here, cos square x, okay, minus 1 plus of what we have, cos square x. Now here cos square plus cos square, what we get here, that is the 2 cos square x minus 1. That is one more result, that is the cos of x plus y, that is one more result. 2 cos square x minus 1. Now dear students, let us move on with the last one. Now if I take it as equation number 1, in 1, that is put cos square x equal to, if I put it as 1 minus sin square, that is 1 minus sin square x. So what we get here, that is a cos of x plus y. sorry, it is not x plus y, it is nothing but here cos of x plus x, that is nothing but our 2x, dear students. Cos of x plus x, if I take it as cos 2x equal to cos square x means 1 minus sin square x minus of what we have, that is sin square x. So, minus into minus we get plus, that is nothing but 1 minus 2 sin square x. Now, what is the value for it? That is nothing but here cos 2x. Dear students, that is nothing but our required result. That means for one single formula, that is a cos 2x, we are having the value as, that is cos square x minus sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square x. We can make use of the formula, any formulas as we require here. Dear students, one more thing, whatever the formulas I am marking here, okay, in the square brackets, whatever the formulas I am marking, please make a note of all those things, okay, and those are all nothing but the important formulas that will be useful for your next forthcoming, okay, chapters also, and in second year and in higher education also. Okay, dear students, before going to the next derivation, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, dear students, now let us move on to the next one. We shall prove that cos 2x equal to 1 minus tan square divided by 1 plus tan square. Now, let us take the LHS part, and we know that just now we had proven that is nothing but here cos 2x equal to cos square x minus what we have here, sin square x. Now, here can I write it as cos square x, okay, minus of sin square x whole divided by 1. If nothing is there, may divided by 1 we have. 1 can I write it as cos square x plus of sin square x, that value will be 1 only. Now, here what I will do is divide by, okay, divide throughout by, that is nothing but what I require 1 here. 1 I require means I require to eliminate that cos square, divide throughout by cos square x. Now, what we get, that is nothing but here cos square x minus of sin square x whole divided by, we are having here cos square x whole divided by cos square x plus of sin square x, cos square x plus sin square x divided by what we get here, cos square x. Now, here I will eliminate here cos square x divided by cos square 1, sin square by cos square, tan square, cos square by cos square 1, sin square by cos square, the value will be tan square. The value is 1 minus, that is nothing but here tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x, that is nothing but our RHS part. So, this is our nothing but here LHS. Okay, dear students, that is one particular derivation. Now, let us learn with our next derivations. What are those? Let us observe. Prove that, that is nothing but here sin 2x equal to 2 sin x into cos x, okay, 2 sin x into cos x, or that is nothing but here 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x, 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Now, we shall prove this particular property here. It is a very, very simple thing. Okay, I will mark it. So, any derivations, any one formulas may be used here. That is nothing but here also write here sin 2x equal to. Now, let us take the LHS part. That is LHS what it is. So, we are having sin 2x. Sin 2x, can I write it as sin of x plus x? Very simple. Now, sin of x plus y formula, just now we had seen, that is nothing but sin x cos y, y means here x here, then plus of cos x into sin y, y is nothing but here again x only. We can observe that sin x cos y, sin x cos y, that is 1 plus 1, by adding I can get it as 2 sin x into cos y. Now, which formula it is? That is nothing but here RHS. First thing, that is the first thing. Now, just now we had proven, okay, we know that. We shall move on to the second one, that is we know that sin 2x equal to 2 sin x into cos x, okay, here also it is x only, divided by 1 we are having. Now, divided by 1 means what I can write it is, that is nothing but sin square x plus cos square x I can write. Dear students, what I require to prove is 1 plus tan square we require to prove here. Here also tan x we are having. That means sin by cos, what is the value? Tan here. So, therefore, what we have to divide it by? Cos square. Divide throughout by cos square. Divide throughout. In the RHS only, divide numerator and denominator by, that is cos square x. Now what we get is 2, that is a sin x into cos x whole divided by cos square x. Now whole divided by what we have is sin square x plus of cos square x. Okay, whole divided by what we have, that is cos square x. Now here we can see that square and get eliminated. Sin by cos means the value will be 2 tan x whole divided by sin square by cos square, that is nothing but here tan square x, and cos square by cos square value will be 1, and that is nothing but our required result, that is RHS. This will be our LHS part. Okay. Dear students, this is nothing but our derivation of sin 2x as well as cos 2x. For sin x, sin 2x, 2 formulas are there, whereas for the cos 2x there are nearly up to 4 formulas. Any one we can use as and when necessary in our required problems here. Okay, dear students, that was all about the sin 2x and cos 2x. Now let us learn about this, the next one, that is nothing but here tan of 2x. Tan 2x. Now let us prove it directly. Okay, let us prove it directly. That is nothing but here tan x I can write it as, okay, LHS part, that is nothing but here tan 2x. Now tan 2x means can I write it as sin 2x divided by cos 2x. Okay, tan 2x can I write it as cos 2x. So what values I will get here? Okay, dear students, what values I will get here? That is nothing but here sin 2x. Here sin 2x, what I can write here, that is 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x into cos x divided by cos 2x, can I write it as cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, that is cos square x minus of sin square x. Now what I will do, divide is divide by, okay, what it is, cos square I will do, divide by cos square x, both numerator and denominator. What we get is, that is 2 sin x into cos x divided by what we have, cos square x. Now whole divided by what we get is, that is cos square x minus of sin square x whole divided by cos square x. Now here what I can do is I will divide it, that is cos get eliminates, here also cos square get eliminates, that is here the remaining part will be 2 tan x whole divided by cos get eliminates 1, sin square by cos square value will be tan square x, that is nothing but your RHS. So therefore tan 2x equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x, that will be your required result. Okay, dear students, these formulas, okay, that is nothing but our tan 2x. Similarly, we can prove for your cot 2x also. Similarly, for cot 2x also I can have the formula here, that you can take it as homework. How? The hint is very simple. The hint, that is cot x, I can write as cos 2x divided by sin 2x. Okay, so what I will get is very simple, cot square minus 1 divided by 2 cot I will get here. That is nothing but our simple formula related to our, that is cot 2x. You can just derive and find out the values here. What you have to do? Cot 2x. The hint is hint, that is nothing but here cos 2x divided by sin of 2x. Okay, sin of 2x. Then cos 2x means substitute that cos square x minus sin square x, and sin 2x means what you can write here, that is 2 sin x into value. Okay, dear students, now this is all about the derivations or the proof, that is for their 2 marks in your annual examination, or sometimes it may be asked for 3 marks also. Okay, dear students, in the next class we shall continue with the many more formulas related to this trigonometric functions of compound angles. Till that, thank you.